How to Fix Bosch Boiler Error C4 is a comprehensive guide that explains the meaning, causes, and solutions to this common issue. The error C4 code indicates a problem with the boiler's ignition system, specifically a lack of flame detection. This error can occur due to various reasons, including faulty ignition electrodes, a dirty or clogged burner, or a malfunctioning flame sensor. To fix the error C4, start by checking the ignition electrodes for any signs of wear or damage. If they are damaged, replace them with new ones. Next, inspect the burner and clean it thoroughly to ensure proper gas flow. Check the flame sensor for any blockages or debris and clean it if necessary. Another possible cause of the error C4 is a faulty gas valve or a malfunctioning ignition system. In this case, it is recommended to consult a professional technician to diagnose and repair the issue. Additionally, check the boiler's wiring and connections to ensure they are secure and not damaged. It is also important to check the boiler's pressure and ensure it is within the recommended range. Low pressure can cause the boiler to malfunction and display the error C4 code. Check the pressure gauge and top up the system if necessary, to prevent the error C4 from occurring in the future. Regular maintenance is key. Schedule annual boiler servicing to ensure the system is functioning correctly and to identify any potential issues before they become major problems. Additionally, ensure the boiler is installed and configured correctly, and that all safety devices are functioning properly. By following these steps and best practices, you can fix the Bosch boiler error C4 and ensure your heating system is running efficiently and safely. Remember to always refer to the boiler's manual and manufacturer's instructions for specific guidance on troubleshooting and repair. If you are unsure about any aspect of the process, it is always recommended to consult a professional technician for assistance.